Hi guys, I want to say thank you to all of you who made my birthday, advanced birthday so special. I want to say thank you to my D group, to Lori, to Jan, to Mitch, to May, to Belle. Thank you so much, girls, for last night. It was really awesome. It's really unforgettable. To my youth and God, to the 33 youths, you know who you are. Salamat sa surprise message. And I also want to say thank you to my super kids, to the 10 little kids that I have, to the Love Thy Neighbor, the mothers group, to Ate Alice, to Ate Risa, to Ate Luz, Ate Bing, Ate Marife, Ate Rosie, Ate Des, Ate Lisa, to my mom. Continue the sessions even without me. I know you can do it, you can handle it. And I want to thank you, my Women and God group, Ava, Kim, Elsa, Ate Angel, Sharon and Carol. I'm still gonna be praying for you girls. Hope to see you when I get back. And thank you po sa lahat ng sponsors ng ministry. I may not mention each and everyone's name for privacy reasons, but thank you so much. And salamat din po dun sa mga patuloy na tumutulong. May God bless you as you have been a blessing to the ministry as well. And also, last but not the least, I want to say thank you to my family, to my grandma, to my mom, to my mommy, who's been my right hand, who's been my assistant throughout the ministry here in Manila. I love you. I love you all so much, and I really want to thank you. Thank you so much for all the patience, for doing this together with me. And also to my Makoyawo family in Nigeria, in Boston, and also to Pastor Mark Chibenga, whose real name is Remy, also Remy Likun Olugbenga Makoyawo. Babe, I want to say thank you to the video that you made. I'm really excited to see you soon when I get back from the island. So I'll see you soon, and I really thank God for you and for your life, for being my strength too. And last but not the least, the most important person, not just person, the most important of all, it's God Almighty. Lord, I want to say thank you. Thank you for arresting me from my past life. Thank you for changing my life so much and for using me for your glory. Maraming salamat, Panginoon, for doing this. Again, salamat po sa lahat ng sponsors, to each and everyone, to my VCF and CCF family. To God be the glory and all the praise. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much from the bottom of